So, on your first morning, this is the path that you'll take up to the reception and the nursery classrooms. There are other ways to get into the school, but this is the easiest access to the reception and the nursery classes. If you're in Mrs. Jones's class, this is the entrance that you will come into school. If you're in the nursery classroom, you'll wait outside the nursery until the gate is open. Once the gate is open, you come through and Mrs. Edwards will let you into class. As you can see here, there are lots of lovely things in the nursery garden for you to play with. One of the favourite things is the pirate ship. All sorts of imaginative games go on here. There's also digging areas to play, a big canoe for adventures, and gardening tasks to be done. We've missed the children helping in the garden this summer. There's also the willow arch, which the children have lots of fun running under and playing in. Let's see if we can go through together. Here is the entrance to the nursery class, where your teachers will be waiting to greet you on your very first day. Here is the classroom itself. The classroom looks a little different at the moment because it's been set up for the key worker children. At the moment, it's really important that the children keep 2 meters apart. Here is the Nursery Plus mobile. Some of you may be going to both our nursery and Nursery Plus. If that's the case, the Nursery Plus staff come and get you from nursery. Your mums and dads can drop you off early at Nursery Plus, and you can even have your breakfast there. Here is the reception cloakroom. If you're in Mrs. Williams's class, this is the door you will come in. If you're in reception, you'll hang your coats up in the cloakroom. On your first day of school, your name will be on one of the pegs and the teachers will help you to find it. You then go through the doors and walk through to your classrooms. Again, the teaching assistants and teachers will guide you on your way. This is the Year 1 practical area. You'll go past there to enter into the reception and nursery area. As you can see, it's really bright and colourful. This is the reception class. This is Mrs. Williams's classroom. There's lots of things on the wall from this year. As you can see, we celebrate our learning and there are lots of different areas for you to choose in. Mrs. Williams's class is pretty much set up like the classroom will be, because we haven't been using her classes over the last few weeks. There's also a lovely big space to play outdoors, and Mrs. Williams will set tasks outside for you to choose. We're very lucky because we've got lots of space. Now we go out to the reception practical area. This is a shared area between the two classes, and we often put provision out for you to choose. It's also where we have lots of the reception displays. We celebrate your work by putting it up so everybody can see it. Now we're going into Mrs. Jones's class. Again, Mrs. Jones's class has been used over the last few weeks, so it's not set up as it normally would be. However, you can see some of the bright, colourful displays, and you can see some of the little areas that Mrs. Jones puts out.